What's going on? See if I go this way. Oh, I can't. I gotta do this way today. Alright, so what's going on, everybody? I think it is afternoon there on the what time is it? It's about 9, it's probably about 1, 2 o'clock East Coast time right now. And check this out. Don't know if you ever had a papaya, but this is a Hawaiian papaya, and it's very, very good. Thanks, guys. My mom's doing some hardcore construction on her home, so you could see still doing some work out here. But I was able to get a papaya, and I just squeezed. And if you've never had a papaya, these things are incredible. And you got to put lemon on it. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you what this looks like, just like that. And these are not the Caribbean papayas. It's the Hawaiian papaya. So it's like really round.
And it's my grandma's.
It says very bad connection. I'm Jamaican, so I know it's good. These are the round ones. You see how round they are? Very bad connection. So we gotta move. We gotta go that way. Let's go this way. Very sweet. Very sweet. So we'll move over here, closer to the router. So can you guys hear me and see me? I'm not going to be on that long. Just wanted to share this moment with you guys. And here's Maya having one.
This is my grandma's papaya. We have some in her yard. She has like 5 trees.
Yeah, can you guys see me? Is everything good? Because it's okay, cool. Because it was saying bad connection, so I just got closer to the router here by the TV. So yeah, hit the like, everybody. Give me a thumbs up. I know this is not like auto body videos at all, but this is kind of like home style, home life. Just showing you the inside of the home and the behind the scenes of what's going on. So it's actually, what time is it? 9?
It's
9:20. I actually landed last night at 10:45 p.m. And so I got home late, and then I was up till like 2 a.m. And then my baby girl Allie woke up at 5 a.m. So I really only had 2 hours of sleep. I just didn't sleep that much, so I probably look a little tired. And then I was hungry, and like boom, this thing came out. Like, oh yeah, this is a very good papaya, and this sucker's pretty big too. Check it out. Look at that thing.
I don't know how many.
321 in Detroit. So you guys want to see what Hawaii looks like outside today? We can go outside quick.
I'll give them the papaya tour.
We can give you the papaya tour. Let me just eat some of this because it is so good. Oh my god.
I know. I ate the whole thing. I didn't share it with anybody. It was so good.
Oh my god.
Especially with lemon, it's the best. It makes it perfect. It's not too sweet. Yeah. He just loves that papaya. He loves that Mr. Papaya. Outside's really beautiful. Next door just gave us 2 papayas, but they're still not ripe.
Show them those. Go get them.
Really?
Hey, go get them.
All right.
Our neighbor just gave us. This is from our papaya tree, but our neighbor, they have so many papayas. We'll go outside and I'll show you. Our neighbor just gave us 2 more.
It's these 2 he gave. How they pick it from high trees.
What's going on, Rusty?
How people pick papayas from high trees is they have like a long stick with a little net
Wire.
in it.
Mm-hmm.
So they just move the papaya and it just comes in. Then they just bring it down and keep doing that.
Anybody from Hawaii on the line?
Probably. There should be a couple. That papaya is going down fast, Dad. Very fast. You're not missing any meat. I can see
They
that.
say,
Yeah, from the
is
shore.
it like a mango? Right here, Kevin. Kevin's from Hawaii. Earth is flat. NASA is lying.
Anyways, it's not like a mango. Mangoes has more tangy. It's a little bit more tangy. Papayas are a little bit more smoother. Not like bananas, more smoother and more sweeter.
Yeah, papayas are really good for your digestive system.
Especially if you put lime, it's super good. I like
This
it.
stuff, I mean, if I could get this in Texas where I'm at, I would be eating 1 of these a day. Like, it's so good for your stomach, really.
I think you're gonna be eating 3 a day.
Oh my God. If the skin was edible, I'd eat the whole thing.
Yeah, I'm getting ready to try to work on something. Somebody just said that.
All right, I'm almost done.
I don't think he's any close to that because he's eating everything.
I gotta get my papaya's worth.
I think we're gonna have a papaya at home.
I can't say I gotta get my money's worth because it was free. It was from nature outside.
Yeah.
Didn't
Thank
have to
you,
pay for
papaya.
it. What's up, Ray? All right. Greetings from Germany. Greetings from Hawaii. All right. So let's show you the view from my mother's house here where I grew up, looking out. Okay, so you got we're in a valley here.
Daddy, that's the old man who gave me it. Those 2.
Oh, there's the old man downstairs that gave us the papaya.
And that's
green
the
one?
tree right there.
And if you
Those
look
2.
down in there, you can see a bunch of papaya trees down in there.
Well, are we gonna go down there to show them? I'll give them a tour.
Oh, she's up. So here's my mom's house. It's a little dirty right now. But there's Allie girl.
She made all the mess.
There's my wife.
Don't blame my grandma.
Here's Allie girl.
Just woke up from her nap.
Allie was up early. She got up at 4:30.
Yeah, that was yesterday. That's YouTube Live.
Temperature is about 75 here right now. 70. It was 73 when I got up.
Yeah, it's a really good temperature when you wake
Well,
up.
my mom remodeled the kitchen not long ago. Look how beautiful this kitchen is. Huge. Look at those. Look at that refrigerator. It's a little dirty
Not that bad.
because we're just had some construction done. But like, look at this kitchen. I mean, the countertop is all messed up with pineapple. Right? Look at this. Beautiful kitchen. Huge,
Dad.
huge refrigerator. Humongous. What? You guys like the house? Give me some feedback. I don't know if you guys are seeing this. We cut out or what's going on. We got the vent because it was showing bad connection.
Why don't we go outside and show them the view?
Yeah, we'll go outside. Gotta wash my hands. Thanks, Rusty. Yeah, she put a lot of work in it. They literally had the whole kitchen redone, like you could see.
What did Rusty say? What did he say?
It's just, it needs to be cleaned, like they're in the middle of construction. So here is the remodeled
Bathroom.
Bathroom's completely redone. Nice tiles, beautiful shower. Not that room, okay. And here's another room.
This is really bouncy.
This is where Allie sleeps. Allie is she's disabled, so she has to sleep on the mattress in case she rolls off. There's Allie.
Okay, let's show them outside.
Okay, so Maya wants to show you outside. You guys want to see outside?
Of course, it's Hawaii. Beautiful. I like the wind. Feels so good.
Okay. So I'll flip the camera out. Hello. Are we live again? You guys there? It seems like the internet connection up here is pretty bad. Yeah, but the connection's bad. You guys there? Hello. I don't know if Alright, anyway guys, I just wanted to say what's up. I'm out of here. We're gonna go. I'll catch you later. Hit me up. We'll be doing a YouTube live for auto body, specifically auto body. Could probably do one tonight. All right, Thursday night, 8 p.m. Central. That'll be like 3 p.m. my time. What's up, Eugene? So you're back on UK. All right, awesome. So I went outside and we just had a bad connection. Sorry about that. So I'll just show you the view from here and then tell you what's going on. We're gonna be doing a YouTube live again tonight. I'll send out the email. 8 p.m. Central, Auto Body YouTube live. Also welcoming all the new Auto Body members. All right, we're gonna be going over all your Q&A. And I'm going to be here for about 10 days or so. And then we're headed to Japan for a couple weeks. And then I will be finishing up brand new projects over in Dallas, Texas. So you guys get that? If you can get that, let me know that you got that. And I'll see you soon. Cheers, guys. Give me some feedback so I know you heard me.
Where? Do we need medicine on it?
No, I think she scratched enough. I don't want to.
All right.
I see one. Just hold it.
1, 2. You see 1, 2.
Okay, laters. I'll talk to you guys tonight. See you later. Yep, from Hawaii. We'll be doing YouTube live tonight from Hawaii in a few hours.
Just 1 more. That's the cover sheet.
Yeah, I'll be taking a lot of video here, by the way, guys. I'll be taking a lot more video, and I'll make some videos, and I'll put them up on YouTube so you guys can check it out. All right? I'll do like beaches and foods and all that stuff so you guys can get an idea of how Hawaii is like. So I'll see you on later tonight, 8 p.m. Central. Peace.